In today's video, I'm going to show you how to pick the right form type in Mailchimp. So first log into your Mailchimp account, then next is click on Forms, then next is click on Create Pop-up Form. This is where you can create different types of forms to collect contacts. Mailchimp offers several options like embedded forms, pop-up forms, hosted sign-up forms. So you can see those here in this section, other forms. Embedded forms are for adding directly to your website, and pop-up forms for capturing attention from visitors, and hosted sign-up forms is when Mailchimp hosts for you. So use embedded forms for blog pages, pop-ups for growing your list faster, and hosted forms if you need a quick sign-up page without a website. So in this page, you can see pre-made templates that you can use for your forms that is created to cater your needs or for you to be able to collect specific information and details from your audience easily. So just click on your chosen template, then, of course, the design for your template, add a name to your form, then click on Create Form. So here, all you have to do is edit the fields, add branding, and choose what information you want to collect, like name, email, or phone number. Choosing the right form type helps you capture more subscribers and grow your audience efficiently. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!